You are looking at a view of the Poisk module on the Russian side of the International Space Station's Russian segment, in which two Roscosmos cosmonauts, Station Commander Sergey Ryzhikov and his fellow cosmonaut Alexey Zubritsky, are suited up in their Russian Orlan spacesuits, ready to open the hatch and begin what is planned to be a 6.5-hour spacewalk to install science experiments and other hardware on the outside of the International Space Station's Nauka module. Sergey Ryzhikov, the station commander, and fellow cosmonaut Alexey Zubritsky opened the hatch to the Poisk airlock to begin today's spacewalk at 9:18 a.m. Central Time. All of the planned tasks, the deployment of 2 payload units as part of a Pulse Plasma Injector experiment on the Nauka multipurpose laboratory module. They also swapped out payload cassette on the newly installed Molecular Beam Epitaxy experiment. They cleaned a window pane on the outside of Nauka and relocated a control panel for the European robotic arm, also on the Nauka module. The closing of the hatch to the Poisk airlock at 4:12 p.m. Central Time, 5:12 p.m. Eastern Time, bringing to an end the spacewalk at 6 hours and 54 minutes. For Sergey Ryzhikov, his aggregate time for his 3 spacewalks in his career now totals 19 hours and 51 minutes. For Alexey Zubritsky, his second spacewalk brings a total for him to 13 hours and 3 minutes of spacewalking time.